Alright, let's see what's left on the bin. Or on the peg, sorry. Alright, there's nothing there. By the way, we found this guy on one of the shelves. And I don't know if I should get it or not. Oh! Let's see, you got a Ford SV truck. Huh. Got a Honda Civic. Nobody wants it anymore. Wow. Okay. Let's see what's on the pegs. Looks like a K or an L. M. Ooh, they have an M. They have an M. Question is, I think we're late. I think we are late. M. Yeah. We are late to the party, folks. That's crazy. The Brewster. Who's Bruiser? It's not a fresh bin. Things that are supposed to be here are gone. Alright. Where's the 5-pack Civic? No, night burner. Alright, I think it's time to go. I think I'm gonna leave that Ford F-150. So what is opening here? Oh, the back and the front opens. And I think I'm gonna leave this guy. I just need, and that's it. Alright, time to go. And we went to the action figure. We saw a Chase, which is the Sentinel. Looks like a Green Lantern. And we got Black Adam. Got another Chase here. Black Mask. You got Kid Flash. There's another Chase right there. Another Sentinel. And I think the other one is... Let's see it. Oh, it's gonna fall. It is Brainiac. It's called Brainiac. Superman's nemesis. Alright. So those are the things that I saw. Black Adam is not what I would think to get. Alright. That's it.
2,000 years later.
Alright. So we have 2 Aero cases here. We're gonna try and see if we can get a Chase, and this is your Fast and Furious with the Supra inside of it. So we'll go ahead and open this one first before this two. So let's go ahead and let me set this up. All right, let's go ahead and crack it open and see how this Supra looks like in person. I ordered this because I knew I'm not gonna see it on the peg, so might as well save some time and energy looking for it. And there we have it, right there. A nice looking Supra. Cool, very cool. And let's go ahead and open up the rest of the case. We have a SLS AMG Mercedes. That's one. There's 2 of them. Oh, there's 3. Why is there 3 of them? Oh, that's weird. Why is there 3? You have a McLaren. Let's see what else is here. Another McLaren. a Lexus LFA. Alright, I'll put it there. 2 LFAs. A Nissan 350Z and another 350Z. And there you have it. The set that has the Supra inside of it. Cool. Alright. I think I got most of the Fast and Furious set. So let's go ahead and open up the Aero case and let's see if we can get lucky. Here we go. The first Aero case. Let's go ahead and open it. And let's see. We're gonna do it blindly. I was told my first number is gonna be a dud. I don't want to jinx it. But there was a code going out over the web that says there are certain cases that have certain codes in it. So let's see. Let's contradict what the internet says. All right. Let's go ahead and open this blindly. Okay, here we go. Did we get? Oh, there's some paper. Let's see, there is one. There's two. This is the Sylvia S15. There's paper, still paper inside. Is that a good sign? There's your Audi. So if there's only one Nova, that means there's a chase. So that's the telltale sign of having a chase on the case. So there's your Lexus RC. Let's see. There's your first Nova. Ugh. First Nova. Let's see. What's this? What in the world? Why did they open this? Free gift. Oh. Got a free. Fashionably late. I got a gift from. What is this? I don't know what this is. Came from one of my this is not a sponsored case, so let's see. Fashionably late, what does that mean? All right, I don't know what that means, so it looks like it's been opened. Did we get? There's a piece of paper. Did they stuff it? Oh my God, did they open it? Oh no, they did. This is one of the, oh my goodness. My goodness. I think I ordered only one case with only 5 sets. And the 5 set is this. The Nissan Skyline is missing. What in the world? The Sylvia is here, but the Nissan's not here. What? There's 2. What is this? I don't understand. What is this? What is this? Is this an NFT? What? I gotta research what my where I got this from and see, try to figure out why is the case. I thought I ordered 2 cases. Uh-oh. Okay, let me figure out what this is. I don't know what this thing is. I think I got bamboozled. I don't know. I don't think I got bamboozled. I just don't understand what this is. What this mean? So, what does it mean? Hans driven. Fashionably late. I didn't even check to see if wait. So I think I might have made a mistake. So this case is 1276A, which is similar to this. So let's see. Let's go ahead and open this one. Why do I only have one case? I thought I had. Uh-oh, I may have to check my order. So let me go ahead and let me check. Let me check to see. Okay, let's open. Go ahead and open this other case. This is. Looks like it's in single tape. I should have checked that one. Okay. I don't know why we only have one case. Let's see. Let's do the same thing. Well, the R34 is a much sought after chase, so let's go ahead and do another blind unboxing. No wonder I was seeing pieces of paper in there. All right, let's see what's in here. Okay, that's the first Sylvia S15. All right. There's your other Sylvia. Let me put this aside. There's your Lexus. There's your other Lexus. That's what it looks like. I've seen some posts that some people are already getting the Aeros. Your first Nova. All right, let's go, let's see. Are we gonna get it? Dun, dun, dun. So 2 Novas, that means we did not get the chase. Here's your R32. Another R32. And there you have it. We did not get the chase. It is empty. Wank, wank, wank. Where is that sound? Ah! What the heck? What's the sound? All right, that's it. Nothing. We did not get the R34 chase. Oh my goodness. All right, till the next case.